In this video, I will show you how to scan barcode or QR code in your Flutter app. In order to test the scanning feature, you are required to run the app in real device. So this tutorial will focus on the code only. So in this tutorial, I will be using this Flutter Barcode Scanner package, which you can find in pub.dev. Don't forget to add the latest package dependency into your Flutter project. Now let's jump into the code. Firstly, I will create a string variable to store the value returned upon scanning barcode or QR code. Next, we have to create the scan function. This function is an asynchronous function, so it returns a future value, but since I don't use the value, I will set it as future void. Inside the function, I will create a temporary string variable to hold the result value. Then we have to execute scan barcode function from the package. This function requires 4 parameters, which are line color, cancel button text, is show flash, and scan mode. So I will provide a sample values for them. But for scan mode is where you select if you want to scan barcode or QR code. Next, we have to wrap this method call in try and catch to check for platform exception. If the method executed successfully, here I will use setState method to update the scan result string variable with the temporary variable. Now we have completely finished our scan function. Let's add this function in the elevated button on press and test it out. So as you can see, it shows unable to proceed because camera not available. It means the code is working fine, just camera not available as it's a simulator. As I mentioned at the start of the video, you have to test this function in real device. So I have tested in real device and it works perfectly fine. If you have any question or run into any error, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.